multiplication properties and what is the definition of the multiplication. I recall once again, multiplication means it is the repeated addition of the same number, and you also discuss about the properties of the multiplication. What is the first property? Dear students, in case of multiplication, when any number you can multiply by 1, you get the number itself. That is the first property of the multiplication. What is the second property? The second property is when any number is multiplied by 0, you will get the product is also always 0. These are the two properties you already discussed in your previous classes. Dear student, today we discuss about the multiplication of the numbers with carry and also without carry. First I start the multiplication of the numbers without carry. Okay. First one, multiplication of numbers. Multiplication of numbers without carry. Without carry. I write first example. Example 1. Multiply 142 into 2. Dear student, I already write the question. Multiply 142 into 2. Okay. Which one is the multiplicand? 142 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. You find out the product. Okay. Yes. How to find the product? First you will write the given number, multiplicand and also multiplier. Dear students, the first multiplicand having a 3 digit, 100, tens and units. In multiplier having only single digit. Therefore, you multiply only by the single digit to the multiplicand. Okay, 2 is the multiplier. You will multiply 142 by 2. Okay. All of you learn the tables of 2. Okay. You start the multiplication. 2 2s are 4. Dear students, first you start the multiplication from 2 from unit place. Okay. In case of addition, you also start the addition from the unit place. In case of subtraction, you also start the subtraction from the unit place. In case of multiplication also, you start the multiplication from the unit place. First, you start the multiplication from unit place. Okay. 2 2s are 4. You write the 4 is also in the unit place. Okay. 2 2s are 4. You write the 4 in the unit place. Next you multiply tens place. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. You will write the number in digit. Okay. First you start the multiplication from which place? Unit place. It is also unit place and it is also unit place. You take first unit place multiplication. Okay. Yes. In case of 2 digit, which one is the unit place? 2 is in the unit place. In 200, the unit place having a 0. First you start the multiplication unit place of 22 and 200 to the unit place. Okay. 2 0. Dear student, the property of multiplication says that if any number you multiplied by 0, the product is also 0. Therefore, 2 into 0 is 0. Dear student, 2 into 0 is 0. Next you start the multiplication from 2 to 10's place. 2 0. Again it is also 0 because you multiplied by 0. Okay. The product is also 0. 2 into 0, 0. 2 2s are 4. We will write in the 400 place. Okay. This is the completion of the unit place multiplication. Then you come to the tens place multiplication. Tens place. You first leave the first place because the first place is completed of multiplication. Then you start the multiplication from tens place 2. 2 0 0 2 0 0 2 2s are 4. Dear student, this is the next procedure is addition. The multiplication is done after the completion of multiplication. You add both the products. You will get the final product. Okay. 0 plus means it is again 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0, what? 4 plus 0, 4. And finally 4. What is the answer? 4400 is the product of 200 into 22. Therefore, 200 into 22 is equal to 4400. This is the product of multiplication without carry of single digit and also double digit numbers. Okay. Next we go to the multiplication of numbers with carry. Okay. Multiplication of numbers with carry. With carry. First I write in one example. Multiply 43 into 5. 43 into 5. Dear student, 43 is the multiplicand and 5 is in the multiplier. You start the multiplication from unit place. Multiplicand having a 2 digit and multiplier having a single digit. Therefore, you start the unit place is having a 3 in 43. You start the multiplication from unit place. 5 3s are 15. So, you write the 5 in the unit place and 1 is put carry on the tens place. You put carry 1 to the tens place. Okay, dear student, 5 3s are 15. So, you write 5 in unit place. You write the carry on tens place. Okay. Then you multiply the tens place. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Here students, to multiply unit place, 3 4s are 12, 2 is in the unit place and 1 is carry on the tens place. 3 6s are 18, 18 plus 1 carry you will add, you get the 19. So, the unit place multiplication is completed. So, unit place multiplication is completed. You start the next place or multiplication of next tens number. So, you will write first unit place is 0. Okay, then you start the addition multiplication of the tens place. 3 4s are 12. So 2 and 1 is again carry on the tens place. So 3 6 are again 18. 18 plus 1 carry, you will get 19. So next, which is the function? You do the addition. Finally, you got the product. Okay, you do the addition. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11.